This is a tutorial in the new features of NX Restaurant POS for order entry. So basically the save button has been eliminated and the buttons have been moved and replaced. So if I pick a table and go into a check, as you can see, save button's going on the right. There are these new buttons at the bottom here, and this 3-dot button is going to have some new functions on it. So I'll order some items as usual. So as you can see down here, when you're in the modifier screen, you have cancel, delete, and done. So done will now kick you back. There's almost save, it's done. That's the new feature. Cancel will undo what you did, and delete will delete particular items on the check that you don't want, or modifiers. So I'll hit done, brings me back to the order entry. I can order small items. I'll hit done, brings me back, done again to get you back to the order entry menu. So now what happens is you'll have different buttons here. You'll have discount, print, and pay if you want to go right into pay. So if you're using the cashier station, you don't have to send it. You can go right to pay or print or whatever you want to do. Also, the send button is now the new way of sending orders to the kitchen. You can also hit the back button. That will send the order to the kitchen and bring it back to the table screen. And if you hit this button here on the top right, the little guy going out the door, that's the exit button. That gets you back all the way out to the login screen, and will send all the items into the kitchen. The top of the check here has a printer icon. That is the same as this print button here. And then you have the 3 dots. That's new. It used to be the order info button, but now it does all these different functions, such as change table, add a customer, change number of guests, change the person that owns the check, change from dine-in to takeout or whatever. You can split the order here. You can cancel the order here. If you hit this order info, this is now what was the options button down here, and also the order info button that was right here, the eye in the circle. So you can do things like discounts, you can split orders, things like that, tax exempt. And then the order info functions are here, showing you the check, shows you the payments on the check, shows you the discounts on the check, and shows you gift cards, the gratuities, customers on the check, things like that, or the actual info of the check, what time it was opened, the discount, who opened it, and such. So if you want to get out of this screen, you get the X. That brings you back here. So now if I delete off these items because, say, whatever reason I was just looking at the check, or you want to cancel the check by just deleting the items, say that there's no items on the check. The new way of closing it, because the pay button here is now grayed out, you would hit this button and go to order info and close the order right here. There will probably be a new feature on here called either options or functions that will bring you to this functions page instead of the order info, but currently the order info brings you to this page. So this is where you find the functions of how to do different things to the check itself. So if I exit this check, it'll be closed out because I closed the order. So those are the new features of NX Restaurant POS.